Hello students, today we are going to complete remaining question of exercise 3.3. In order to that, I have written question number 22 over here, in which all chord terms are correlate with each other, and here you can see the greatest angle is your 3x. So this chord 3x we are trying to take as a reference angle, and then we will make this interrelation establish. Now for direct left hand side we are not going to prove as a right hand side, only for a reference chord 3x we are going to take as a starting point of your solution. So let's start with this given angle, this 3x. This is a chord 3x. While I was introducing the formula, I have given one formula of cot x plus y, so that we are going to implement here to this cot 3x form. So here first of all this 3x we will split as 2x plus x. So this can be written as cot 2x plus x. Now this 2x we will treat as a single term, that is x, and this x you will treat as a second term, that is y. So the formula for cot x plus y we are knowing is cot x plus y we have written as cot of x cot of y minus 1 upon cot y plus cot x. This was the formula form you will implement over here on these two angle forms. So here what you will have, this is cot of 2x, multiple form any of the angle you can write first, cot x minus 1 whole over cot of x plus cot of 2x. It was continue with your cot of 3x. Now make them cross multiply. So this will give you cot of 3x multiply with cot of x plus cot 2x. That will be your cot 2x cot x minus 1. Now multiply this cot 3x to this bracketed term. So these two terms will be separated out. The whole question we are going to generate on basis of one term from where we have started. Right hand side no change. Now to make this above given relation, so one more thing is required here, that is transformation of the term. This minus 1 you shift over there, and these two positive terms shift over there. So you will have what the actual form it is being given to you. So on making them transform, what you will have, this side I am writing first cot of 2x cot of x. On shifting towards that side it will turn with a negative sign, minus cot of 3x cot of 2x. Shifting this minus 1 towards one side, it will turn to positive quantity. So this is the interrelation what is available to us, we have established as a question form. So this is the one of the another method which can be implemented to find out the solution for given question form. If you will substitute here the formula of cos 3x cot 3x here and here, it will be quite bulky. Answer you will get, definitely answer you will get, but it will be lengthy, and sometime it may be possible that you will be unable to handle the steps. So it is better with the higher angles, you start with the given higher angle, convert with the smaller one and make them interrelate. One illustration is also available with the same category. Now let's move towards the next question, that is 23. That is one of the important question, in which only single term is available as a question form, that is tan 4x, and the whole question to have to convert in form of x. So here again tangent to x formula you will implement. Tan to x formula we have already written. Now this is question number 23, available as tan 4x. This is to be proved as 4 tan of x 1 minus tan square x whole over 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan 4x. You can see on left hand side the angle is available with the 4x form, and your answer angle is turned as a single one, that is x. Means obviously we have to reduce the angle form, and to reduce the multiples of the angle only one form we are having, that is the implement the formula of tan to x or tan to theta. So here let's start with this single term. This is one of the important question. Left hand side we will pick up. This is your tan 4x. Here this tan 4x we can write as 2 into 2x. Means here this 2x you will treat as a single term. So here we will implement the formula as tan 2x as a 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. This was the basic formula what we have studied about. Now the same thing here we are going to implement. Now in place of x what we have written? 2x as a bracketed form. So here it will be turned as tan 2x, whereas in place of x you will write 2x. So let's implement the formula with this given formula, that is 2 tan 2x. Everywhere in place of x you will write this 2x. In denominator also this is 1 minus tan square 2x. So again numerator and denominator both are carrying the term tan 2x. If you look at your required right hand side, you will see your answer is written in form of tan x. Means again we have to reapply the formula to these two tangent term. So again the same formula you are going to implement here and here, then make it sort out, your answer will come out with the tan x form. So let's implement formula. Again this will be 2 tan of x 1 minus tan square x. Now here 1 you write as such, tan 2x whole square means whole square of the whole formula form. So this will be your 2 tan of x 1 minus tan square x whole square. Now it is to be sought out. So first of all make this 2 to multiply, no change at all in the numerator. In denominator make the square of the each term. So further solution you will write as, this will give you 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x. Here you write square of this term. So 2 square is your 4 tan square x whole over 1 minus tan square x whole square. Now here only the square we have written, nothing else we had made any change. Now in denominator go for taking LCM. This numerator term just now you write as such, here the LCM term is obviously it will be multiply here. So 1 minus tan square x whole square. This 4 tan square will remain as such. Now you can see in denominator of the both numerator as well as denominator both are carrying the same term, but here the square is there. So this one term will cancel and it will be inward. So this one bracket you make cancel and this remaining one you will multiply with this numerator 1. Now here on inverting this term and multiply over here, this will be your 4 tan of x 1 minus tan square x. In denominator what is remain with us? 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 tan square x. Now one more thing is remain to solve, that is square of this term, because answer is written in form of tangent force. Obviously, square of this term we have to write. Now these two are not to be multiplied because this term already we have generated. Make the square of this, so it will be 1 minus middle term will give you 2 10 square x. Last term square of this one, that is 10 4x. This last term you keep as such. Now combine these two like term. So this is a 4 10 x. 1 minus 10 square x. 1 minus 6 10 square x plus 10 4x. This is your required right hand side relation. So this way 4x angle we have converted in form of x, and because of twice application of the formula, this question is important one. Same formula we are going to use, but 2 times in the same question with different angle combination. Now move towards the 2 more questions. These are 24 and 25. Move towards the next question, that is 24, in which you will prove cos of 4x is 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. Now somewhat hint from the question itself you will be have that which formula regarding the cos is to be implemented. Here you can see your 1 is present at the first position. 3 formula we have studied in terms of cos 2 theta or cos 2x. In which the first was cos square minus sin square. There is no possibility to find out this 1. So skip that formula. Next it was 2 cos square x minus 1. So here this minus 1 you are having at the second position. So last one what it was in terms of sin only, means 1 minus 2 sin square x. So that suit to your question. So that formula we are going to implement here, taking this cos 4x. So let's start with the solution. Pick up your left hand side. So from question itself somewhat hint you will have that which is to be implemented as per the required combination. Now this cos 4x again you will write as 2 into 2x, means now in place of x we will write this 2x form. Now look at the standard formula form here. What was that? Cos of 2x, it was written as 1 minus 2 sin square x. So this formula we will implement here. Only the one change you will have, in place of x now you will write a 2x. So substitute over there in the formula form. 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. Still we are not up to the answer form. In your answer both the terms are required with the single angle, not in form of 2x. So for sin 2x again we are having a formula form, that is only one in terms of sin and cos, 2 sin x cos x. So that formula you will implement, make that expansion form square, and that will give you the required answer form. So the another formula we will use here is a sin 2x, that is your 2 sin x cos x. So this is the second formula you will implement. So it is 1 minus 2. It can be written as, for better understanding, this way you can express this, or direct also it can be substituted. That is 1 minus 2. This is 2 sin x cos x whole square. Make it square. 1 minus 2. 2 square is 4. Sin square x cos square x. Make them multiply. 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. So this is your right hand side relation. So this way one term you can convert in terms of the another. Suppose in this case, if it is written somewhat term and minus 1, so cos formula you can use over there. So now we move towards the last question of this exercise. That is also one interconversion, and these all formulas for today we have discussed all are important forms. Now the last one is cos 6x you have to express as 32 cos 6x minus 48 cos 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. So obviously this 6x angle you have to convert in form of x. You will use either 2 theta formula or 3 theta formula. But here you can see the last term is carrying minus 1. So it is better to pick up your cos 2 theta formula in terms of 3x. So this minus 1 you will have. So cos 2x we have written in terms of cos because answer is required in terms of cos. So it will be better we start with the cos only. So let's start with the given angle and convert in form of 2 theta or 2x form. Cos of 6x, it can be expressed as cos 2 3x. As in the last two cases we have converted the question form. So here also the same. You will develop your theta as a separate form. Now as this minus 1, this is to be right in form of cos. So implement the formula as cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. In terms of cos only. In place of theta you can use x, so no problem. Now here in place of theta you will write this 3x in this formula form. So this will be 2 cos square 3x minus 1. So this minus 1 we have evaluated over here. Now this 3x is not required as a term in your answer form. So it is to be converted in form of x, and there is only one way to convert, that is write the formula of cos 3x there. So what was the cos formula? Cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So that formula you will implement here, make it square. So you will have this required expression form. So the next formula you will implement is cos 3 theta, that is 4 cos cube minus 3 cos of theta. Theta I am writing here just for your conveniency, that you can compare that what theta it should be in your question form, that's why. Now here this we will write as a 2 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos of x whole square minus 1. Now it is to be expand with the square power as a minus b whole square. So let it be expand. It is your 2 4 square, that means, or you can write as a formula form. This is your a square minus 2 4 cos cube x into 3 cos of x minus 2ab plus 3 cos of x whole square. Make this bracket close, minus 1 keep at the last. Now make them square or multiply. This will be your 16 cos 6x. These all are to be multiplied. So 8 3s are 24. Powers are to be added. This is cos 4x plus 9 cos square x minus 1. Now make all the expression multiply by 2. So this will give you 16 into 2, 32 cos 6x minus 48 cos 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. So you can match your answer to the required one. Here you can see the same you are getting with the power 6, 4 and 2. So this way the required form you can write. Suppose in the same question you are having the whole answer in form of sine and 1 is present at the first position. So at that time, in place of this cos formula, in reference of your cos 2 theta, use your sine formula, that is 1 minus 2 sine square x, and that time you will write the formula of sine 3 theta over there. So your full answer will convert in form of sine. So that way your question may be changed. So don't be confused what the form is available. Proceed towards that form to evaluate. So it was all about the trigonometrical solution based on the formula. Now next topic we are going to start solution of trigonometrical term. There are two types of solution regarding the trigonometrical term. First is a principal solutions or principal values, and second is a general solution for given trigonometrical term. So here first we talk about the principal values or principal solution for given trigonometrical terms, and then we will find out their general solution. So let's start with towards the next topic, principal solution and general solution for trigonometrical equations. Equation, why we are saying equation? Because trigonometrical terms are written in form of their respective numerical solution. First we talk about principal solutions. Of trigonometrical equations. So with help of one example, I just make you understand what are the principal solution for trigonometrical relations. Just for example, we take sin x as a 1 by 2, sine with the positive solution. Now while writing the principal solution, you will think about the angle solution from 0 to 360 or 0 to 2 pi. So what are the possible solution? Regarding this term, we will write in terms of radian with plus solution. So here sine is given with the plus quantity. So first of all we will think about that regarding this frictional value, what the angle it may be. 1 by 2, that means it is your 30 degree pi by 6. Now first in the first quadrant you will have this sign with the plus sign. Now think about the next possibility in which the sign will turn as a positive one. So it is possible only in your second quadrant. So you can say in first quadrant and second quadrant sign will carry positive sign. So its principal solution we will write is, so first of all you convert this one with your first choice, means this will be your sine 30 degree means pi by 6. One solution you will have this one. Now we will write their principal solution as means the another choice. In second quadrant, if you want to express any of the angle, it is here pi minus pi by 6. So that will be the another value for which your sign will turn as plus half. So here in general we will write principal solutions are x is equal to, the first choice is a pi by 6, or the another one you will write as pi minus pi by 6. So this will be your pi by 6, or take LCM, 6 minus 1 means 5 pi by 6. So this way these two angles will give you this standard solution. So what are the possibility to find out the solution with plus or minus sign for given trigonometrical term? You will find out from 0 to 2 pi and write down as a principal solution form. So this way principal solutions we have to write down. Now next is a general solution for trigonometrical equation. For this one, no particular rule you will follow. As per the given term, you have to think about the possible solution from 0 to 2 pi. Now next we are going to take a general solution for trigonometrical equations. First we talk about sine solution. In this case, whatever the term is available, suppose first we are going to take this one as a sine form. So in the sine one, obviously the angle will be available. Suppose the same it is given. So here only you will write this angle as a radian form. Here it will be your pi by 6, 30 degree. Now make them compare. This value you will consider as a y. So in case of the sine, this y, here y is your pi by 6. So this y should belongs to close interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Now you will say where minus I have introduced to you. So it is very small thing. When normally we are going to represent any of the angle in coordinate system, we use anti-clockwise system. So normally angle we represent as a positive quantity, but when sometime if we move clockwise direction to measure the angle, it will be considered as a negative quantity. So from here to here, this will be considered as a 0 to minus pi by 2. So for sine, 0 to minus pi by 2, and from 0 to pi by 2 you will take this close interval select. Means when your term is available with the positive quantity, angle you will write with the positive sign. When the same quantity is available with the negative quantity, at that time this angle you will represent as a minus. Suppose minus half is written, so in place of pi by 6 plus, you will write there minus pi by 6. So that way the angles are to be selected. So when you have defined your y in terms of the radian, you will substitute this x and y in the general equation as, this is called general solution. X is equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n into y. So what the y you have already defined over here, that you will write in terms of radian. Here this n you can select from set of integer. So this way, on substitution of the value of y over here, this will give you general solution. Means any of the value you can select as n, that will give you the various solution regarding your this combination. So here in our case, y was pi by 6. So substitute over there, x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n pi by 6. So this will be considered as a general solution for your given sine form. So first of all, make your fractional value convert in an angle, that will be considered as a y, and compulsory that y should be lie in this range, close interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, and then substitute that y in this relation. In some of the cases, in place of x you may have a 2x, 3x like that, but when you are writing the final answer form, suppose here we are having 2x, so it is to be separated out, means this 2 should be divided on the right hand side to make sure that here you are getting only a single term, that is x, theta or phi, whatever it is being given to you. So this way general solution you will write regarding the trigonometrical equation. It was only the one example, 2 more are there, that is cos and tangent. So in next lecture we will discuss about that and question from the next exercise in which principal solutions and general solutions are being asked. Thank you.